All right, let's see what you have. Let me see.
Yes, no, no, no. Yes, no, no, no.
Let's see a lot of yes, no, no, yes. Let's see what we can figure out. All right. 4,000 times 3, 200 times 3, and 7 times 3. That's an easy yes, isn't it?
Yeah, that is.
That's obvious. This is the expanded form times 3, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes. All right. 4,020.
Ooh, they trying to trick us.
Ooh.
They trying to trick us with me.
Ooh. Okay. 4,000 plus 20. No.
C is no too.
No. All right, let's use this the expanded form. The 4,000 plus 200 plus 7
Yes.
in parentheses times 3. Yes, yes, yes. Wait, say it with me. This is the distributive property.
This is distributed property.
Yes, you're okay. I'm not supposed to tell you that because that's not for fourth graders, but I'm gonna do it anyway because y'all are too smart.
Yay.
Oh!
Great.
That's a yes. Did you get it right?
Yay.
Good job. What? Oh, Madeline has a question. All right, so this is the same as asking which are equal to. You don't need to solve it. It's asking which can be used to solve. All right, so let's look at this problem. We have 175 times 5, don't we? All right, so that would be 5 times 5, 5 times 70, and 5 times 100, right? So this first one would be 5 times 5, 5 times 70, and 5 times 100, correct? When we multiply, we're multiplying 5 times 5, 5 times 70, and 5 times 100, right? That's all I'm writing down is what we're multiplying, right? Right, Madeline? Right, Hannah? Does that confuse you so far? I'm not done yet. I'm going to get to that. Does this confuse you so far? Do you understand what I'm talking about? When I would get this answer, it would be 5 times 5, which is 25, right? And then this one would be 5 times 70, right? And then I get an answer here, correct? Yes or no? I'm not solving. I'm thinking about how to solve it, correct? Is that how I would solve it? 5 times 70.
Yeah. Wait, no.
I'm talking to Madeline. Hold on. 5 times 70. I did 5 times 5, and then I would do 5 times 70.
I know what you're doing now, but
Okay. Yes. Okay. So is this correct?
No.
Absolutely not.
No.
All right. Now let's look at this. Are they groups of 35? No, there's no groups of 35. It's either groups of 5 or groups of 175 in this problem, right?
On this, they probably had to count from 30.
I need you to stop talking on top of me, otherwise I'm going to mark you. Do you understand? This girl is trying to teach. It's my turn. I have some people that are confused. I can tell by looking at their boards. Raise your hand if you want to talk. Okay. I have either groups of 5 or groups of 175. This is either 175 groups of 5 or 5 groups of 175, correct? Okay. Any questions about that? Do I have groups of 35 anywhere? No. So this is not correct.
Where'd you get
35 plus 35 plus 35 plus 35. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups of 35. It gets all the way to 175, but this is.
But it's 175 times. But it says 0. Yeah, we don't have a 35. So.
35, 70. 105, 140, 175.
That's 21.
This is 35 times 5.
Yeah.
This is 35 times 5. Is 175. That's what this is saying.
Doing multiplication to get to 1. But it says 0.
Yes, that's what this is saying. Is that what we have? No,
Oh, so it's kind of
that's not what we have. All right. Do we have 5 times 100? Do we have 5 times 100? Do we have 5 times 70? Do we have 5 times 5? Is this one correct? Okay, let's circle this one then. That one's right, isn't it? This one has partial products going across instead of up and down, doesn't it? We're not going to let that confuse us, are we? All right, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one has 5 groups of 175. Is this one right? Yes. Yes. Do we have 5 times 100? Yes. Do we have 5 times 70? Do we have 5 times 5? Can we use this area model? So is this one work? Any questions about this one? Jasmine.
I don't get how D is like right because it goes to 800.
Well, let's work it out. What's 5 times 5?
25.
What's 5 times 70?
38, 300, 300.
What's 5 times 100?
500.
Let's add this together.
5, 7, 8.
Do you get it now?
Oh, because that's
Because 5 groups of 175 is 875. Do what again?
another one. No. Yes, yeah.
We're going to do the next one. Are we ready?
Yeah.
All right. What I need you to do now is I need you to work this one. It's fill in the blank.
Can you read it?
Eyeballs.
Click.
For Eva, you need to look at what she used. She used the 3, the 8, the 40, the 8, and the 20. And figure out which numbers are left, and then figure out where they go. Okay? The original problem is 48 times 23. In this one, she did 48 times 3. So she took out this 3, which leaves her with what? 20. So this one is 48 times 20. All right. So right here, she did 3 times 8. Right? 3 times 8. Okay? We have a 40. Right? Can we do 40 times 3?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's do 3 times 40.
Oh.
We didn't do that yet, did we?
Nope.
We already did the 3 times 8, but we didn't do 3 times 40. Correct?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, Over here, we have a 20, right? I know. So let's do the 20 times 8 right here. Because we don't have that yet, do we? No. And then we need 20 times what?
20 times
40. There you go. So all they're doing is they're writing their partial products across instead of up and down. All right, here's the last one. All right, so we know that partial products can be added in any order, so that's why we eliminated C and D. Let's look at A and B. The product would be the same because the place value of each digit does not matter when calculating the product. Does place value matter?
Yes.
Yes, absolutely, 100% all the time. Place value matters.
I thought it meant like you could put like the numbers in any order.
The product would be the same because the sum of the partial products can be added in any order. This one means you can put, B means you can put the numbers in any order. So B is the correct answer. Added in any order means you can put them in any order.
I wasn't sure.
All right. And then the last one on the test is one where you actually multiply and get an answer. So make sure you can actually do the problem. The first 5 are making sure you understand how to do the problem and why you're doing the problem, and then the last one is.
There's only 6 questions.
Yeah, but this one's worth 1 point. This one's worth 1, 2, 3, 4 points. This one's worth 3 points.
5 points. I think I might fail.
This one's worth 4 points.
This one's worth.
And that's not the test question. All right.
Is that all the questions?
Yes.
So we sent it to